record. Let's have a look at this. Bit of a breeze here. It's just sound like bit of a breeze there. Let's do a bit of a yard test there. Wind caught to them. That wind's blowing her back there, then full throttle forward there. The wind's definitely blowing her back there. I'm in second rate. Second rate there, Ian. She's not coping well with that wind at all. Full throttle. And she's going backwards. So well, it's certainly going to push it. Bring her down, lower altitude. Not coping well with that wind at all. There you go. Yeah, that gust there. Let's bring her back towards me. Oh no. Bottle off a bit there. Like that wind, like that wind. Come on, little Hubsan. Hope there's a recording. Back towards me a minute.